Did you know there's a creature that's basically the ultimate shapeshifter? You won't believe what an octopus can do. Octopuses are the masters of disguise. Not only can they change their color to blend into their surroundings, but they can also transform the texture of their skin to look like rocks or coral. And here's the wild part. The mimic octopus can imitate other animals like stingrays, sea snakes, and even jellyfish to scare off predators. Therefore, they don't just hide, they outsmart. Oh, and did you know they have 3 hearts and blue blood? These guys are seriously next level. But here's the craziest part. Octopuses are escape artists. They can unscrew jars, solve puzzles, and even escape aquariums. So, are humans really the smartest ones in the ocean?